Let's see. Get in here and pop the hood. Boy. We'll start on this passenger side. These are super easy to change out. Just got this retaining rod here. Well, I'll say super easy. There we go. Pops right out like that. This top headlight just comes right on off. Twist and pull these out. There we go. They just twist them to the left, lefty loosey, and that one's off. Now, get this bottom one off. Turn the light on where you can see there's a clip right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's right there. You gotta push it in with your fingers and it'll pull right on out. Right there. I have to use both hands on this. There we go. Accidentally took the trim piece loose right there. Alright, so that clip right here, you just push that piece in. You can see it moving. And then the rest of it, it's just got two plastic pieces that lines it up. Twist it to the left, same as the top. These come right on out. Unless you're filming and then they don't come right on out. Let's see. Yeah. There's 3 bulbs in this bottom one. And then this one, it's got an extra little tab on it to push that in. And then twist it to the left. And it's off there. Boy, wonder why they wasn't working. And I messed up. I didn't order the bulbs for the bottom. That one, it looks burned out, because it is. So I'll be probably taking this back apart. But we did. So it looks like your inside ones are your dims. Or I'm sorry, the inside ones are the brights. Or 9500s, and the outside are the 9006. The inside are 9005. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and put them back on. Now we'll stick the bottom on. Same as it was before. Get your notches lined up, the holes, turn them to the right, and latch in good. Feels like that's got a pretty good seal on it. Lining up. Oh, it's my fault. Well, have a little difficulty. There we go. That one has a little tab on it too. I missed that first. I must just went ahead and held it down without even thinking. And then this outside one just has the 2 tabs on it. Line them up, twist it to the right. Take the cover off of it. Alright. Now, let's see if I can get you in here where you can see it. These 2 black plastic tabs, you see where they go right there on the frame, plus you got that hook piece that will hook in right there. Alright, and then your tab on the outside will pop right in. Maybe. Both my hands working here. There we go. It's popped right in. These top ones. I've got new headlights for them. So the inside one, 9005 for the inside light bulb. And you're not supposed to touch these with your bare hands, so I'll be careful with it. There's that new bad boy I got there. Just pull that tab up, push down, pop right off there. And the 9006 goes on the outsides. Tell you what, it is a nice day out here in December. I don't know if you can hear or not, my neighbors mowing, everybody's out having a good time. Just stick them in there. Alright. Just get them lined up. Push in good. Twist to the right. And add a little tension on it. I think that new rubber O-ring and everything, new housing, it's gonna be a little tight. That's good. Hopefully don't get no water in there. Alright. Now just hook your lens in behind your grill there. Finagle this adjuster back and line your pin up. This pin makes things a lot easier. And light bulbs are packed up really good too. And it's got a holder back here for your pen. Push mine in too far. It'll pop right in there. That side's done. On to the next side. Definitely a big difference in the two. But alright, we'll get going on this side. bulb up. Pull your pin out. Twist both light bulbs to the left and pull. On this bottom one again, it's tab on the outside. Mine's a little stiff. I'm gonna use both hands again. Alright. We got these tabs. Have to push down, twist to the left. And the outside one, it's just a twist. It's only got 2 gears on it stuck in. And it got some water in it too. Yeah. I'll just go ahead and replace these while I got them out. Let's see. Hopefully you can see right there. It's got a ton of water in that plug. May end up changing that bulb again. See if this side happens to have a part number on it. 3157, so looks like just amber colored 3157. It's gonna get a 3457 back. Hopefully that don't make much difference. We'll find out. This had a 4057 in it. So 3157 back. Alright, we'll go ahead and change these 2 headlight bulbs out. And I just broke a rule touching it. Alright, 9005 on the inside. It's high beam. $9006 on the outside. All right. Just be sure to hook your tab right there on the inside, go inside your grill, and it's got those 2 knobs on it. Plastic pieces sticks right out, fits in the grill, and then clip here on the outside. Make sure it lines up good. There we go. And now they'll click right in. All right. Now take our covers off. Put your headlights in without touching the bulbs. Alright. Then slide your rod right in. I got my hood latch here in the way. There we go. It's a good tight fit. Flip it back down this keeper. Should be good to go now. Slide that back out of the way. Yeah, definitely. Big difference in the way front of the truck looks. Let's close this hood down. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. It's 10 times better. Alright. Here's the low beams. There's kind of reference. There's high beams. It's not picking up on camera real great, but I'll tell you, they are leaps and bounds above the stock ones we had in it. Right here is a headlight kit that I purchased. Hopefully y'all can see that good. There's a price. That's for the bulbs. Then this is for the lenses right here. The price on those. Definitely well worth it. Both the products look great. Again, if y'all aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully see you back next week and have a little bit more content.